When I first landed on the Bernstein medical website, the professional layout and clean design immediately caught my attention. Everything is neatly categorized, making it easy to find information on various alopecia treatments, including robotic hair transplants, PRP therapy, and medical management options. The homepage offers quick access to patient resources, physician bios, and even a photo gallery of results, which gives potential patients a sense of credibility and transparency. Navigation is smooth, with detailed drop-down menus that provide thorough insights into each procedure. One of the most valuable parts of the website is the research section. It's filled with peer-reviewed articles and studies conducted by the Bernstein team, which not only boosts trust but also helps educate users about their condition. The site doesn't shy away from explaining side effects, or who may not be a good candidate for certain treatments, which is surprisingly rare and definitely appreciated. The FAQ page is extensive, covering questions about the recovery period, treatment costs, and what to expect during and after procedures. They also outline the differences between FUT and FUE techniques in a way that's easy to understand even if you're not in the medical field. That said, one of the downsides is the outdated look of some subpages, which feel more early 2010s than modern 2025. Some videos embedded in the site are also a bit low in resolution, which could make users second-guess the level of tech involved in the actual treatments. The consultation booking process is straightforward. They give you the option to choose between in-person and virtual appointments. After submitting the form, I received a follow-up email within 24 hours, which is fast and efficient. However, prices are not listed anywhere on the site, and this lack of upfront cost transparency could be a deal breaker for some. They do mention that costs vary based on procedure and individual needs, but a rough estimate or range would be helpful. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Another area where the site stands out is patient education. They offer downloadable PDFs, explainer videos, and even blog updates that talk about ongoing research and new technologies in hair restoration. There's also a section dedicated to women experiencing hair loss, which isn't always given equal attention on similar platforms. That said, the design isn't responsive in all browsers, especially on mobile devices. On some phones, images don't scale properly, and the menu overlaps with page content, which can be frustrating. Overall, Bernstein Medical's website does a solid job of building trust and providing valuable information for anyone exploring treatment options for hair loss. The site is clearly backed by a team that knows what they're doing and isn't trying to oversell. Still, they could improve their mobile interface and add clearer pricing details to enhance the user experience. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews like this one.